Mason? Hi! Are you bouncing in Baby Einstein? You are. Mason? Mason? Boys, boys. Oh, you want to see your Frank, huh? You love your Frank. Boos, boos. Boosies, look at Mama. Show me your teeth first. It's almost Halloween time. Mason has his little jack-o'-lantern hat on, his little magic pumpkin outfit, and he is loving it. It's just bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Mason! Get it, boo-boo. Get it, boo-boo. He's just loving it. Let's zoom in on him. Here's a close look at his cheek. Hi, Boozy. You're just so blurry. You jump so quick. Yeah. Little pumpkin. Little pumpkin boy. Okay, say goodbye, pumpkin. Say goodbye, little pumpkin.